Could I look like any more of a dork? Do I care about the sun? Yes, I do. It's still on my face. Anyways, hello, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, which you probably are, because this is only my second video, I would love to take you for a paddleboard around the beautiful Howe Sound. In case this is really shaky, I have to film in one hand and paddle in the other. Let's see if I can do this. It's beautiful. I promise you it's worth it. It's beautiful today. Okay, but welcome, and I hope you enjoy today's paddle session. I just about fell in front of so many people. That would have been so embarrassing. How do we pretend like that didn't happen? Just don't look over there. Oh my God, I want to get out of here so bad. That was so embarrassing. Okay, I'm too hot. I need to go in the water. Do you want to come with me? Oh God, it's too freaking hot. Hi, let's go for a swim. Could you imagine if this was my house? Maybe one day. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, and that's their little second house too. Okay. Oh my God, it's so nice. I love it. It's like cold, but still so nice. Donkey time? Donkey Dunkaroni. I'm in my underwear. Sorry. Probably should mark this as not for children. Okay, so much better. Surprise. Guess who? It's me. Still in the water. There's a cute guy coming. Oh, act cool. Act really cool. Hi. What's that? Oh. Yep, no problem. Sorry about that. He told me to stop swimming in front of his property. Oh, you have to see this. Oh my God. Man, I can't catch a break. Look at this, what a jerk. Didn't want me swimming in front of his property. I mean, fair enough. What with me and my undergarments at all, but like, oh, what a jerkosaurus. Okay, best to go find a better spot, you know, where the poor people swim. I have good news for everyone. I found where the poor people swim. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.